If you're looking for an easy day trip out of Phnom Penh while you're here, this would have to be one of the best. The ruins are spectacular. There's lots of really friendly locals out there as well. They don't get as many tourists though, so you do tend to get mobbed by them. So take a lot of small change along with you. So please enjoy the video and thank you for watching.
So where do we go from here, from here, from here? Broken from the pieces that we left behind. And I don't want to shed another tear. It's time that we realize.
If you are watching my channel and you have not subscribed, please do, because I really want to grow the channel. I really want to do as much as I can to help the Khmer, and I'm really sincerely serious about this. Like I've come here to make a life for myself, but also I really want to do as much as I can for the local people. Really, the Khmer are like a sweet honey. They're just adorable people. Really breaks your heart. Yeah, so these are all locals there. They're all following the one foreigner that's here. There are no other tourists. It's only me. It's very hard. This is the part of Cambodia that I really struggle with. Sometimes it kind of makes you want to cry. Now we're just across the border from Thailand, and it's just so different. And that was the thing that really struck me when I got here. I just fell in love with the place. Okay, they look like a couple of Chinese tourists here. Takes the pressure off me a bit. 1 minute. Okay. Alright, so... Okay. It's just the simplicity here is what's really striking. Can you come? Yeah. If you haven't followed them already, there's an organisation up in Siem Reap called Heartprint. They've got a really good Instagram page, and I believe they've also got a YouTube page as well. They build toilets and homes and all types of things for the Khmer. So please support them. And as I mentioned as well, there's also For Real, who are also located up in Siem Reap. The children here, even when they're young, they often don't seem to cry as much as they do in the West. There's not a lot of that, really, what we're hearing right now. You don't hear a lot of that when you come to these villages. I think it's really a case of the kids here, they tend to have a really strong sort of family network. So they've always got someone to entertain them. And it's such a beautiful thing, actually. I mean, they've got their problems, but they just have people around. There's no real daycares or that type of thing. This guy here on the side of the building, he's like a famous rapper. Like he's their version of Eminem, basically. He's got a song here at the moment. It's called Bong, and it's very popular. You hear it playing on the radio all the time. So that's a bit of an insight into this little village. And where is your home? Where your home?
Where your home?
Yeah.
Home me over there.
Over
home me.
here.
Yeah.
This your home?
I live here.
Really?
Yeah.
Can
Very
I
small, home me very small.
can I see inside?
You see over there?
Yeah. Let me see.
I'm with the home. Very poor, very poor.
Very poor, yeah. Oh, just look quick. So, you know, no air conditioning. You've got like 3 beds in here, and they probably cook outside. But they must have some great parties, I think. The simple life. I know. But happy. Happy.
Because you people happy.
I rather be
But not happy money, right?
poor happy is better than rich and unhappy. Little puppies, look at them. They're so cute. So gorgeous.
Only family in here don't have
So definitely worth a visit. If you're in Phnom Penh and you're looking for a short day trip, sort of out into the provinces to see how the Khmer live and see this beautiful temple, this is a good place to come. It's $2 entry, and I imagine most days it's pretty much like this. It doesn't get the same tourist trade as Angkor Wat, but it's certainly just as spectacular. But you know, bring all your small change because they're gonna swamp you when you get here. Yeah, so you know, poverty that you definitely do see, but you can tell as well, you know, they're poor, but they are definitely living a more simple sort of life, and the vast majority of Khmer that I meet are a lot happier. You know, the closer you get to simplicity, the happier you get. Yeah. Beautiful. Do you have any fish in this lake? They put fish?
A lot of fish inside.
Yeah.
Sure. Many.
So thank you for joining us on this day, and I hope my videos are getting better. I'm trying really hard to edit them better. Hey Bob. So we're heading back to Phnom Penh now, and tomorrow I start my English course, and then about 4 weeks after that I'll start work, which I'm looking forward to. So there you go.
Passado na mão, é voltar, sentir o peito bater, é voltar, ouvir o som da terra, é voltar, falar o ritmo da vida, é voltar, ter o passado na mão, é voltar. A raiz da vida traz sua lenda de uma linda imensa terra de cor. E se um dia essa lenda for música, ouvirá na terra o som do tambor.
Se a chuva trouxer que o mar outrora levou, nossa alma será essa terra, possuída pelo ritmo e a cor.
Sentir o peito bater é voltar.